Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to our YouTube channel Big City Crypto. So guys, I'm here back again with a fantastic and very amazing project. This is the AI based project. So without wasting any time, let's start the review. Before starting the review, see a small disclaimer. I'm not your financial advisor. This is not investment advisor. So first of all, unlocking silent power with Veer AI. So it's called Veer AI project, top at GPU, VPS node rentals, secure financial tool. Veer AI factorize are seamless to anonymous introduction for the developers, traded crypto authentics powered by $Veer AI token. Our ecosystem eliminates to need traditional KYC process, ensure user maintain their privacy while accessing digital services. So it's mean this project not required any KYC, any personal detail for using this project. So it's a very amazing thing. Now we talk about home feature, about YS, token economics and roadmap. You can check out their partner NVIDIA, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud, Amazon Web Series. Veer AI service core features. Join us. You can check out their Telegram channel. We also talk about, first of all, we talk about on the website what is Veer AI, our vision and mission. Our vision is establish Veer AI is the cornerstone digital privacy attorney in the blockchain space. Our mission is to provide a comprehensive suite of service, empower user operate and immensely leverage the best blockchain technology. So top tier VPS GPS node, and you can check out generate CC, no KYC, generate spending online and convert your cryptocurrency to USD anonymously, and silent return payments taking 100% per month. You can also check out program every 30 days. You can check out here. This is a revenue share. What is Veer AI is a represent groundbreaking platform designed for redefined digital attorney. You can check out Veer AI. This is the privacy first. I already tell this is not required any KYC policy, ensure identify demand and anonymous for the secure environment for your digital activities, high performance computing, secure financial tools, strategic partnership. You can check out Veer AI token economics. This is a $Veer AI token symbol. This is a 5% 0.5 buy sale tax, 95% liquidity pool. You can check out here total supply. This is the contract address. You can check out roadmap. This is the phase 1 foundation and partnership building development milestone. You can check out marketing invites. So first of all, this is a phase 1. Finalize the concurrent framework to Veer AI, including its core feature and service. This is the information marketing invites. This is phase 2, platform development and expansion. You can check out here transaction rental. This is the marketing. And this is a phase 3 development milestone. If I told the details, the video will be got longer. So I tell the main feature about the project. This is a phase 4, full launch and scaling. The phase 5, continuous improvement and ecosystem expansion development milestone. You can check out here white paper, Telegram email, and this is the DEX tool, Etherscan and Gecko terminal also provide as a link. If I open the Etherscan, you can check out 24-hour all right received. Now we talk about on the white paper. You can check out welcome to Veer AI. It's called Veer AI. Already tell. Veer is a revolution crypto economy access top tier GPU. You can check out this token economics and problem solution, business model, revenue share. Telegram and Twitter is also provided. If I open the Twitter, simply click on retry option. So I think any network issue. So guys, now Twitter accounts has been successfully opened. You can check out here Veer AI. It's a top tier and node rental score financial tool. Joined March 2024, and this is the Veer AI pinned post. You can also check out the videos and all the information provided here. You can check out all the information. So it's very amazing and 100x potential project. Now we talk about on the Etherscan. If I click on the cut option, you can check out here DEX tool, and you can check out here all the information here. This is the price chart of this project Etherscan, and this is the pool, Uniswap, contract address, and all the information provided here. You can check out price. This is the channel verification. Simply you need to verify, and after clicking the verify, you can simply need to verify. After clicking the verify, Gecko terminal also will be open. You can check out here Gecko terminal, and the Gecko terminal has been open. You can also check out full the information about the project. Now we talk about Ethereum. You can check out Ethereum here. This is the problem and solution, everything provided here. So now we talk about limited access and all the information. Gecko generate credit card, VPS node rentals, roadmap, and all the information provided. This is the Telegram group of this project, where AI community chat, almost 98 members, 11 online, unlocking the silent power. So now we talk about top tier GPS and generate CC non KYC silent runner join group open in web. So this is the Twitter account. Simply you need to click on follow. After clicking the follow, you can follow here. So this is a follow Ethereum and top tier Darkstorm. This is a Telegram channel. This is the Telegram group. So it's a 100x potential project. I hope you understand everything. The main thing is how to buy this project. Simply you need to click on buy now. After clicking the buy now, the swap will be successful. Uniswap will be open. First of all, you need to connect your wallet. After clicking the connect wallet, you can use Uniswap wallet, MetaMask, Trust wallet, Coinbase wallet. So simply I select the MetaMask account here. After selecting the MetaMask, I enter my MetaMask password. So guys, after selecting the wallet, enter your Ethereum amount, how much you to buy, then simply select the token. After selecting the token, enter contact address, and then the token will be successfully added. Then you need to enter Ethereum and token will be successfully added. Then select a token. After selecting the token, you need to click on buy. Then after clicking the buy, then you need to confirm, and you will be bought successfully. So it's a really amazing project. Do your research before any investment. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Good day. Take care of yourself.